How to fix Hogwarts Legacy not using GPU error. 1. Reboot your PC. 2. Update your GPU drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 3. Play the game, hogwartslegacy.exe at steam/steamapp/common/Hogwarts Legacy, on your dedicated GPU. Like this. 4. Verify the game files. In Steam. 5. Update the game regularly. 6. Switch to the dedicated GPU through NVIDIA Control Panel. 7. Uninstall then reinstall the game.